Wednesday, July the 6th, and our thought today is World Peace. I honour the divine nature of every being. When I read about or hear about unrest in the world, do I ask myself, what can I do? I begin the process of peace by honouring the divine nature of every being. I pray for all in turmoil. I send prayers of peace to all our world leaders. I envisage peace among countries and between neighbours. To change attitudes towards peace, I begin with myself. I connect prayerfully with Spirit. This connection allows me to demonstrate peace at work, in my family, and with all my acquaintances. Whenever I feel concern, frustration, or anxiety, I remember to honour the divine nature of every being. Doing this puts feet to the words of the beloved peace song, "Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me." John's Gospel, chapter 14, verse 27 says, "Peace I leave with you. My peace I give to you. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not let them be afraid.